Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkoka on Monday, the end is near. After Spamandla resolves to holding fires with Mamzoba's case, Manzimanda questions his commitment to attending to the issue and calls for a deadliest punishment. On Tuesday, A Life for a Life, a ruthless murderer's journey is set to come to an end. A young woman burdened by her evil ways pleads for forgiveness. A gunman versus Umkhululi. Who will win? On Wednesday, the end is near. Spamandla and Mabusi deny themselves all logic and do whatever they can to locate Mzobe's body. Meanwhile, back at home, Mamzobe's grave is prepared. On Thursday, final goodbyes. Mamzoba sees what is going to happen to her in a dream and begins preparing herself. Kapsile struggles to let her mother go like this, while Manzimande insisted that the punishment goes ahead. Skumba attempts to avenge his father. On Friday, Doomsday. It is Doomsday for Mamzobe. Spamandla's faith heals the masses, but danger lurks in the shadows. Sbusiso makes a life altering decision. Thank you guys for watching.